Set on the banks of the Tagus River in Belém, Lisbon, Portugal, the district from where the Portuguese great explorers set off, is the Museum of Art, Architecture and Technology, otherwise known as the MAAT. Part of the museum was once the Tejo Power Station, a converted power plant factory turned museum, which tells the story of electricity, with all the old working machinery still intact as fixtures. The exhibits portray the evolution of electricity with the largest collection of the history of electricity in Portugal, and takes us up to the age of renewable energies. The machinery is interestingly lit with colorful lighting and projections. Visitors can't help but learn how power was generated in the beginning of the 20th century. Chemically clean pure water moved through a boiler's furnace, inner tubes that were heated by the coal's combustion head and transformed into steam with high concentration of thermal power. A turbine would then rotate through gears, creating a magnetic field and transforming it into electrical power. Once the steam served its purpose, it would exit cold walls and return back into liquid form, starting the cycle all over again. Other parts of the old factory are used for event space, with the most spectacular windows providing a glorious view of the Tagus River. And this is only one part of the MAAT.